How to share your screen on FaceTime. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to share your screen on FaceTime. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we just need to head over to our FaceTime call right here. So as you can see from here, this is that icon that will share a screen. So let's click on that and you can just click on this share my screen. It is unavailable to me right now because I am recording, but if you're not recording, then you can just click on this share my screen and your screen should be shared to your other call members. So just click on that and you should be able to do it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to share your screen on FaceTime. So if you have any questions or comments, just don't hesitate to comment them down below because we will greatly appreciate them and we will answer to your every queries. So without further ado, let's just end this video and we thank you all for subscribing and tuning in to us for today for this very educational video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel so you can have any more video that is related to this because we have a lot of content that will greatly help you a lot. So thanks for your time. Bye!